So the instructions on the board are telling me to write the following as powers of 2. And looking a bit gnarly up there because we've got some radical signs and cube roots and fourth roots and stuff like that. But let's have a look at it. We're going to do this step by step. In the first one here, now a cube root is the same as 32 to the power of a third. So remember the rule for radicals like that, or for thirds, is that the fraction is whatever the number is out here. So 3 means it's a third. If it didn't have a number there, that would be a square root, so that would be a half. Okay? And likewise, if you ever see a fractional power, you could rewrite it as a third. So let's have a look at this. We've got 32 to the power of 1 over 3. I need to write this with a base of 2. It tells me to do that. So I know that 32 is 2 to the power of, 5, I guess it's 5. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. And that's to the power of a third. So really all I have to do here is I've got a power inside the bracket, a power outside the bracket. I need to multiply them together. I get 2 to the power of 5 over 3. Because 5 times a third is 5 thirds. I would leave it like that. You can, if it asks you to find the value of it, then you can just whack it into your calculator and it will solve for you. The next question adds a bit of an extra layer of complexity. We've got a fraction here as well. Okay, so it's 1 over root 4 of 8. So let's do this one step at a time. That's the same as 1 over 8 to the power of a quarter. And if I think about that, well, let's see. I know that if I've got a fraction with this on the bottom, that's the same as saying 8 to the power of negative a quarter. Okay, remember negative powers are the same as having the positive power on the bottom of a fraction with 1's on top. So the next thing I'm doing is thinking about what 8 is as a power of 2. That's 2 to the power of 3 to the power of negative a quarter. So if I multiply 3 by negative a quarter, I'll end up with 2 to the power of negative 3 quarters. Last one, 2 over the cube root of 4. Okay, so first up, I can more do two things at once here. I know that on the top, 2 is the same as 2 to the power of 1. So I'll just keep that in the back of my mind. Then I've got 4 to the root third, so that means 4 to the power of a third. And I know that 4 is 2 squared, so I can write that like that. The power of a third. Then the next step would be to multiply the 2 by a third. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 2 thirds. And I know that if I'm dividing one thing by another and they've got the same base, that I get that power and subtract that power. So it's 2 to the power of 1 take 2 thirds, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1 third. And if I wanted to convert it back into rational form, I could say that that's a cube root of 2 as well. But it did say to put it as a power of 2, so I should leave it as a third. Okay, I hope that's helped you.